Lydia, and today I'm going to draw with you a penguin. I have an inspiration here to see what it actually looks like. Here is Paddles. He is my toy and we'll be drawing him. I hope you like it. As you see, I got a sheet of paper, one pencil, and a penguin is very easy. As you saw, he only has yellow feet, yellow beak, and most of him is grey. So we'll only be needing 2 colors. Okay, so first how we start is we draw the face. The face is a nice round arch shape, and his hand, other hand. Now we're going to draw his eyes. His eyes are a little round, but you can draw them like this. Now I'm going to draw his beak. The beak is nice, small. Okay, now I'm going to draw his body. He's very big. Now the inside is like that. So you start at the bottom, curve it around until you have a big space and a big over here. Now his feet, you can draw like a small that, or you can draw like this. I prefer like this. Now we have drawn him. Let's think of a setting. Where is he? I'm going to draw him on an iceberg. So we're going to draw whatever shape you like. And now at the very end, you draw a line. Every point you draw a line. Line, 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 another line. There. So we're going to make it 3D. So this to connect to that. This connect to this. This connect to that, and same to all. So we have to connect this point to the other point. Now that's like a 3D iceberg. Now we have to draw the well, you can draw other penguins like this, smaller. Just the same. It's very simple. Just need to draw the beak, eyes, the body, feet, and yeah. Now I'm going to tell you how to draw a realistic one. It's made of my own. So how we draw it is we draw the beak first. It's a nice long, kind of like cone shape, but if it's upside down. Now we're going to draw its face. Its face is like a small circle, halfway down, and then you curve it around to the body shape. Okay, so now we're going to draw the tail. Most penguins' tail is very long, so we're going to draw a long one. You can prefer to do a short one as well. It's very fluffy. Now we're going to draw its eyes. You draw this and then color it in. Most penguins are yellow, like emperor penguins, so we're going to leave using this color. Now we need to have the other side of the body. So you do a bit of that body, like a rainbow shape, but it's upside down. And then you down to there, connect it to the tail. And you'll be wondering where the feet is. We'll be drawing small feet over here, just like Paddles' feet. Now we're going to draw its flippers. Its flippers is nice and long. So we start from the body shape to do it in the curve, and then swap it into a nice long flippers. So along with this thing, you curve it down and do a small wiggle up to here. That means this part of the body is black, this part is white. All we need to do is do the baby one. So it's pop. You can do it over here. I prefer to do it over there. So I'm going to draw the one with the small one over here. I'm going to do this body shape. I'm going to do small flippers. Small flippers kind of like this, but a bit thinner. So like that. We don't need to do the other one, but if you like, you just draw the other one over here. Okay, now we're going to draw its face. Its face is a small curve. So start from the bottom. Remember, you have to need some space. And curve it around like that until you have a small face. Now we have to draw the eyes. The other eyes you can draw over here. So like that. If you want the other eye close to the big one, you can just cover it. And now we're going to draw its body. It's very easy. Just draw a curve and like that. To find small baby one. You can draw its feet like very small. Like that. And if you like it's for decoration, you can do a small wiggle and have a little love heart on it. All we need to do is coloring. I hope you enjoy coloring it. Okay, so now I finished coloring. What in the end looks like is this. So for this, you just need yellow and a bit grey to mix it up. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy to learn how to draw a penguin. Bye.